the best in Google innovation in an A-series phone. Introducing the Google Pixel 7a, built to perform and priced just right. It does things you didn't know phones could do. It fixes things you didn't know phones could fix. Let's start with the camera. Pixel 7a actually sees in the dark, taking stunning pictures in the lowest lighting conditions with night sight. It sees what could have been, fixing photos taken on any device, even photos taken a long time ago, with photo unblur. It gets you close with super res zoom, taking things out of your photos. It's as easy as tap tap gone with Magic Eraser. With long exposure, a series of photographs are stitched together to make movement look like silk. And with real tone, skin tones are accurately and beautifully represented. The Pixel 7a was custom built with Google's most advanced AI to make Pixel not only super smart, but also super helpful, and to make everything run fast, smooth, efficient. Including the battery, which can last up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. All the while, the things you do online stay hidden. Your data stays safe and sound. Your phone and everything on it is secure. Automatically screens calls, so you only answer the ones you want. Filters intrusive sounds by eliminating background noises and voices. For the voices you need to hear, it translates them, becoming your own personal interpreter with Live Translate. Making images, conversations, texts in foreign languages clear. Featuring scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass and IP67 water protection, Pixel 7a is beautifully designed to handle water and dust. Transfer all of your old phone's data wirelessly, seamlessly. Sync with the entire Google Pixel portfolio, featuring Google Pixel Buds, Pixel Watch, and more. Google Pixel 7a, the only phone with all that, finally available on the A-series. Engineered by Google.